This little episode covers 3 totally different topics.
What you got?
From a new little bulldog to a quick peek of a stadium
I don't understand. They didn't ask me.
to maybe something a little techie you may not know about.
You need to tell people about that because I bet the majority of them don't know you can do that. Hello, hello, hello. We're back. And I'm recovering from my eye surgery. Things are doing better. And we're now here where we keep the bus because Mark purchased a new little, what I call a toy, but it's a tool. So we'll show you what he got.
It's needed. I need it.
He needs it. Yeah, he does. It's what'd you call it earlier? It's like insurance to make sure that we don't have an issue with the bus.
Well, I already have one. This is just the newer version. Makes it easier to see it from anywhere.
We keep our bus plugged in. We have a dedicated power source right here that Mark had put in. So as you can imagine, his new tool has something to do with this, his bulldog. So he is getting rid of the old, or what are you going to do with this old one?
I want to keep it. I mean, it's just backup.
Just as a backup?
This
Ooh.
This is the new bulldog.
And how is it different from the old bulldog? And how long have we had that old bulldog?
Oh, that old one's a few years old. The old one, if you see it over there, has a cord coming out. So when you plug it in the post, it's always kind of right at the ground. This new one has a door that opens up, and then you'll plug into it, and then it's more waterproof, watertight. The plug is.
Okay.
And so it doesn't have that long cord hanging out. And I bought the module, so if it ever takes a hit from like electricity or something, it's just undo 6 bolts, put in the replaceable module, it's back up and running. And the module's like $38 or $40, whatever it is.
I hear our bus squealing. Can you hear it?
That's what I said. Yeah, it's beeping. It's telling me.
Yeah, I was talking to them, if they could hear it.
Oh. I didn't know who you were talking to.
I know.
Get a new ink pen every now and then.
You gotta get what?
A new ink pen. I got a new ink pen. That's needed.
Oh,
I mean, that's really
that was in the box?
Yes. Along with a digital voltmeter that tells you this one's color coded, so if the power is good, it's green. If it's bad, not in the right parameters, it turns red on you.
Okay.
So we've got one in there. I can show you when we walk in.
Seems like we're always carrying stuff either into the bus or out of the bus. Do y'all feel like that? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Whew. The sun still hurts my eyes.
It's beeping.
Yep, I hear it now. But I heard it a while ago too, but I bet they hear it now. Let me get the door. Yeah, she's not happy. Little bit's not happy.
Anytime we lose power, it comes on with a shore off, telling us we lost power.
Just a second. Okay.
Not to mention it's annoying, so it'll get your attention. Now, show them the little thing, the voltmeter.
Oh, yeah, here's our current one.
And the new one's just like it.
Yeah.
And it's green, and it's showing what,
114.
Why is it so
Not
low?
very high.
Oh, it's not putting power through the Hughes yet because I haven't
Oh, we hadn't set it up.
set it up yet.
I gotcha.
The red bulldog is the old one. The blue one's the new one. So I'm gonna hit the new one. I'm gonna hit add device. Auto search. Let me just auto search, see if it finds it. Allow Power Watchdog Gen 2 to find blue. Yes. Allow. It found it. Okay, I guess I just hit it.
Mm-hmm.
If you notice the little voltmeter that's over there, the green thing right there, it was only showing 114 volts, meaning we're running off the batteries. Because like a dummy, when I plugged it in, what did I forget to do, Gail?
Have you done the switch?
The
breaker?
No, I have not. And that's why I'm seeing this. I'm seeing 124 volts.
I thought about that.
Both lines, but I'll go turn that on, and now you can show that. You'll see it pop on in just a moment.
Okay.
I might go out there and turn on the breaker in the bay.
Now we should start to see something. Sweet.
Has it popped up with anything yet?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because after the transfer switch picks up, it should pick up. The battery chargers are on because we unhooked the power, and they're on now.
Now, did your old bulldog do this? I don't remember seeing this.
It didn't have an on-off switch. It didn't show the wattage like this. It did other things, yes. But I can turn it on and off from anywhere now.
Why would you ever want to turn it off?
Well, if I thought like an electrical storm was coming, I mean, so it didn't have to worry about taking a hit.
Oh, okay.
But not really, I wouldn't, for the most part. Okay, now let's try to hook up the Wi-Fi. This is off Bluetooth. RV power is on. I guess I just drag it to there and it go off. Okay, so here's where you reset your meter. If you're in a park where you're staying for a month, you can reset this.
Oh, let me see.
The blue button is a reset. You just hit it and it resets your usage so you know how much you use each month. Okay. Now it shows it's on Wi-Fi looking.
And what did you... Oh, we can't show you now. He had to hit it. What was that button you hit before the screen?
Just hit OK. Where we put in our router's network and password. Now I just hit this.
Yeah, you do have to hit the picture of the bulldog.
And now we show the power that we're using.
Sweet. Okay.
So this I can read from anywhere, from home, from 5 states over, anywhere on the Wi-Fi.
I'm at the Entertainment District in Arlington, Texas, and I want to show you 2 stadiums. This was the ballpark stadium for the Texas Rangers, later called Globe Life Park, but currently called Choctaw Stadium. I love this stadium because of the unique historic murals that go around the building. This, on the other hand, is Globe Life Field. That's the current home of the Texas Rangers. It opened in 2020 and is state of the art. We took a tour of the stadium and it was fantastic. I highly recommend it if you're in this area. So here's just a minute about what we saw.
The stadium behind us was our second stadium. It is brutal over there, and it was very hot. It's still a gorgeous stadium. We decided to build the stadium over here. Why did we not just put a dome on that stadium? That stadium was built in 1994 for $191 million. This stadium cost $1.2 billion. So 25 years later, it costs 5 times as much. The reason is for the air conditioning. We keep the air conditioner on all the time, year-round, 24/7, every day. If we turn off the air conditioner when the roof is open, we'll have condensation on the floor and it'll be slick as glass. The roof comes off, like I mentioned, downstairs on railroad tracks on both sides of the stadium. Anybody having a guess how long it takes for the whole roof, 24 million pounds, to move south? Or west? 45 minutes? 4 hours? Anybody else? How much? 20 minutes is darn close. Half of that, 9 minutes. Because it works on railroad tracks, all you gotta do is get the weight started and it just rolls. The bearings are great. Now I find it's kind of interesting. The floor here of the stadium is flat except for the pitcher's mound. We use this stadium for more than just baseball. We also have rodeo here. We have concerts here. And we need to make sure the surface is flat. We don't remove the pitcher's mound. You push a button and the pitcher's mound retracts into the ground. It's kind of cool. 9 minutes for the roof. Anybody guessing how long it takes for the pitcher's mound to go down? 21 minutes.
What?
Yeah, exactly. I don't understand. They didn't ask me. This stadium has 7 different levels to it. That stadium has 5 levels. The original stadium had 2 levels. Straightaway center field, 407 feet. 7 for Bud Rodriguez. We got 410, 10 for Michael Young. Here in the left field corner, we got numbers to correspond with Nolan Ryan and Adrian Beltran.
By the way, a really good friend of mine was watching me work on my computer. Actually, Michelle, y'all saw her in the last couple of videos. But anyway, when she saw me doing that, she said, Gail, you need to tell people about that because I bet the majority of them don't know you can do that. So, I'm going to show you how to easily download your pictures from your iPhone to your computer. Okay, what you're going to do is just simply get your iPhone and your iPhone cable and plug it into your computer. You may get a pop-up on your phone that says that it's been connected and if you want to allow or not, which you do want to allow. Okay, mine didn't do it this time. And then on your computer, you'll have a window that opens that says internal storage. And by the way, I'm on a Windows 11 laptop, and this is an iPhone. If you get a warning, something about how do you want to open this file, I just typically say open the folder. So anyway, that's why this opened. You'll see it's also listed down here. It basically lists itself internal storage on an external drive that you put into your computer. So double click it and you're going to have some folders that open. I did not make these folders, my iPhone did. But I just find the latest one, which is this one right here, because I'm looking for recent photos, and I'm going to make them larger so I can see them. And then what I can do is just click on the ones that I want and drag them to where I want them to go. And it will copy them. Now they're still on your iPhone. After you copy them, you can delete them from your iPhone. I typically delete them from iCloud, so they're out of iCloud and off of, and then put them, get them off my phone as well. Because as you can imagine, I use lots of storage. So I need to get rid of as much as I can. And it's done. Typically when you insert something into one of your ports, like an external drive, it will ask you if you want to safely remove it. With the iPhone, it doesn't do that, but I still am very cautious about it because I don't want to corrupt anything. So I always close the folder and on my computer, let me restate that. I always close the iPhone folder that's opened on my laptop. I close it, make sure nothing's selected, and then I remove the cable from the computer that goes to my iPhone. And that's it. So you don't need to purchase anything except maybe a cable if you don't have that. And that's it. So there you go.